What's up, y'all? It's Lil. I am a trainer with the Ness. Today we're going to be doing a 15-minute beginner level trampoline class. So you just need your trampoline. There is some simple choreography we'll get into. If it's your first time, this is a great class. If you just want a little refresh, this is a great class to get the heart rate up, but also just feel really good. All right, y'all. So step on up to your trampoline. I'm just going to be facing this way, so you don't have to worry about mirroring me, worry about changing anything. You can just follow exactly as you are. And we're just going to start in this nice squat. So you're pressing through your heels. You're thinking about your form. And the beauty of the trampoline is it is low impact, but you'll quickly notice it's pretty high intensity. It's high energy. So low impact means we can sustain these actions a little bit longer because the joints are feeling real juicy, real good. Right now, already focus in on that breath, settling in. We're gonna stay here for a bit, warming up because our home base bounce down comes from this feeling of groundedness. Beautiful, friends. Give me 4 more. 4, keep that breath. 3, 2 more. All right, y'all, hold at the bottom, tiniest little pulse, pressing through those heels. Yes, and then extend those knees slightly. You're gonna keep this pressed down. Press down even a little more, start to peel the arms away. Yes, y'all, and this, like I said, is home base. Bounce down is the key ingredient here. You're just sweeping those arms, letting yourself breathe, finding that space, settling in right on that evenness. You're giving me 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. 8, 7, 6, shoulders down the back for 4, 3, first high bounce. So, y'all, I'm sure have heard the terms lymphatic drainage. Yes, right now in this high bounce, you are doing just that. You're shaking up, shaking out anything you don't need. You're letting the skin, which is the body's biggest organ, just, get its release because it's the only system in the body that doesn't do it on its own. So we got a high bounce. We got to shake it out. You can let go of anything you're holding on to mentally, physically, giving yourself this reset. At any point over the course of this class, if you want to come right back here and just live in a high bounce, you're more than welcome. With that in mind, settle back to your heels, bounce down. So feel the difference now. High bounce is that lymphatic drainage, that freedom. And bounce down is your stability. You're feeling belly button to spine. You're feeling hamstrings, glutes, core nice and active. Good, y'all. The beauty of the trampoline on this unstable surface is we have to work a little harder to stabilize ourselves. And you're doing just that. And while you're doing it, we're going to build some choreo. Woo! So fun. All right, settling in. We're going to find our first jack of our class together here, y'all. Arms and legs, press out and in. So I'm sure you've done a jumping jack. Maybe you've seen it. It's a pretty familiar action, but right now on the trampoline, we're thinking of skimming the surface. So you want to stay low. You want to keep that softness in the joints. Like I said, low impact, meaning it's more sustainable. It's a really great way if you're coming back from an injury, the ankles and knees are feeling a little stuck. Get on a trampoline, find that jack, and just ease through it. Yes, staying here. Okay, I'm just gonna check. Are y'all breathing? Yeah, take a moment. Big inhale, big exhale. Give me 8. We're gonna make a little more space in this jack, y'all. You're gonna give me a double, 2 out, 2 in. You reach and zip. All right, now on this zipping, in, yes, imagine there's like $100 bill. You wanna squeeze it between your inner thighs. Don't let it hit the trampoline mat. Zip it up, zip it up. Yes, y'all. For 8, 7, good, wingspan wide. So now you are feeling that upper body reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach your limits, y'all. Not only on the trampoline. 2 singles all the way outside. One double. Yes, first little choreo push here. Keep it going, keep it going. Two singles. Ha. One double on loop. So y'all, choreography, holy heck. I cannot even remind you, get it in your head, how lovely and important it is for us. As we get older, we start forgetting things, Choreography keeps the mind so present in the space. The fact that you are doing choreo on an unstable surface now is adding to that proprioception. You are so engaged. Physically, the heart rate's coming up. Mentally, you are honed in. Stay in it. On loop. Three more. Ha. Yes, y'all. Keep it going. Two more. So present in the space with me. One more. Find your first run of our session. Right knee, left knee. What's up? How you feeling? Woo. If you need a high bounce, you want to breathe, take that high bounce. If you're able to stay in this run with me, stay here. Again, just like a run you see on the street, just like a run you see on the beach, which is a little more similar because the sand, that low impact, is just like the trampoline. But dare I say the trampoline's a little more fun? Yes, y'all. Pressing down through that opposite foot, start to bring a little more awareness to those arms. Yes, feel like you are driving them back. There's a cute little bongo drum behind you. Boom, boom, boom. You want to hit it every time with the elbow. Yes. Stay in this run. Take a big old inhale. Gather everything you need, everything you deserve. Exhale, release, let go of anything you don't. You're going to give me two more. Inhale, fill yourself up. Exhale, let it go. Good. Find your bounce down again. Okay. So we got that jack double, right? At the very end, after that double jack, we're going to keep building, y'all. You add 8 of those runs. We take it from the top. Single, double, run for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, top. Yes, again, how mentally present can you be? You start to wander in the run. Where'd you go? Come back to me. It's single, double, breathe through it. Right, 6, 4, 3, 2, top, on loop. Let it start to wash over you like a little movement meditation, y'all. Tapping in right here, right now. How much fuller can those jacks be? Back body and front body. Yes. Can you really feel like there's no beginning, no end? It just rinses right through. Good. Continuing to press down to find that stability. Feeling the reach through the backs of the legs. Good, y'all. We're going to hit this 4 more times through and then build our next and final piece. Hey, run 8. Beautiful. 3 more. Reach out. Love it, y'all. Finding that trust. That's what it comes down to. The physical benefits are incredible. Like I said, that nice lymphatic drainage, that awareness. But so much of it is also the mental. You just feel fuller after a good bounce session. You feel like you released all the negativity. So let yourself get there through the effort. One more. It's single. All right, y'all. Run it up. Last move we're going to build together. I want you to find your scissor down. So it feels very familiar to that bounce down, but now you're just slicing those inner thighs. Yes! 1 foot. Again, in a scissor, it's very easy to want to pitch forward. I want you to shine that chest to wherever you are watching this. Shine it up. Keep that evenness. Good, y'all. Inner thighs nice and narrow. We're going to find a double scissor. Okay. If you want to put a little more core activation here, which that core has been working this full session together, you're going to try to almost spike the knees just a little more. So it doesn't stay flat. You are really driving. Good, y'all. I want you to imagine the bottom of your foot or your sneaker is painted your favorite color. You're making that footprint. You see it on the trampoline mat, clear as day. Let's hit a single, double. Right, left, double. Left, right, yes, y'all. Just like your jack pattern. It's single, double. This is how we are gonna end your combo today, y'all. Last little pattern. Keep it going. Single. Give me 4 more. Woo! 3, 2. Everyone take a high bounce. Stunning. Y'all, we got all we need to know. We got all our ingredients. Jack, double, 8 runs, scissors, single, double, right and left. That is a full combo. Bounce down with me. Okay, let's have a little fun, y'all. Toss away what you don't need, right arm, left arm. Any internal negative self-talk, anything anyone said to you that just didn't sit right, you're seeing it roll out of that fingertip. Y'all, we are gonna go again and again and again from the top to the bottom. No beginning, no end. We just vibe out. Jack, double. Single. Yes! Run it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right, left, double, right. Left, right, double, left. Again, right, left, double, right. Y'all, that's a full flow. Top. Woo! Double. Run it up, breathe for 6, 4, 3, 2, scissors, go single, double, now left. Okay, it's feeling fuller and fuller every time, y'all. Back to the jack, you know it. Reach, think of how far you have come in just 15 minutes. Trusting yourself, scissors, 1, 2, double. That groundedness, that fire. Good, being with the trampoline, it's single, double. Yes, y'all, run it up. It's 8, 6. Woo, scissor right. Yes. Okay, you're gonna give me 1 more and then we're gonna meet in a little run. See how we're feeling, y'all. Jack, double. Hey, run it up. Yes, 6, 4, 3, 2, scissor. Whoo, vibing through. Left, right, double. All right, take what you need. It's either a run or a high bounce. Listen and trust yourself. Crushing this. And the exciting news is, well, it's kind of sad, actually. The finish line is in sight. We're gonna go 4 more times. That is that, y'all. Give me a big inhale. You see it, you believe it, you freaking get it, y'all. Bounce down. 4 final times. What can you give? What can you take? What can you leave? Let's go. Jack, double. Make it yours. Run 8. You know it now. Get out of your own head. Scissor. Right, left. Yes, y'all. Right away, it's a jack. You're there. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Double. Fill it up. What other workout feels this amazing? Oh my gosh, y'all. Endorphins, get in it. 2. Yes. Jack, it is your second to last time to fill yourself with the movement. 3, 2, 1, scissor. All right, y'all. You know it, you love it, you believe it. Final push, jack. Single, double. Run it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, hit the scissor. Single, double. Single, double. Single, double. Last push. High bounce. Whew. Y'all, 15 minutes of flames. Crush that. Wow. Thank you again for joining me for your 15-minute beginner bounce with simple choreo. Again, my name is Lil. I'm with the Ness. If you're ready or you're thinking about maybe leveling up, there is a link below. Click it for a 7-day free trial. Classes of all levels, all lengths. If you're traveling and on the go, it is a great way to get your sweat, to get your vibes in. I'll catch you soon.